Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'll show you how to build an email campaign in SendGrid step by step. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Marketing. Click on Single Sends. Click Create New Campaign to get started. Give your campaign a name. Then select whether you want to use a template or create a new email from scratch using the drag and drop editor. Next, write your subject line and preview text. These are crucial for catching the attention of your recipients in their inbox. Now, upload your contact list or select an existing list from SendGrid. You can segment your audience based on different criteria to ensure your email reaches the right people. Once everything is set, preview the email and send a test email to yourself to check how it looks. And finally, hit send or schedule your email for a later time. You can track the performance of your campaign through the analytics section, monitoring open rates, click-through rates, and more. And that's it. You've just built a successful email campaign in SendGrid. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more email marketing tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.